I have here some weed barrier. It comes with some gloves, which is a nice extra feature. I'm going to show you how to install this and how well it works right here on the corner of my yard. So one thing to keep in mind is this roll. It is actually folded in half, rolled up like this. So once you unroll it, you're going to want to unfold it, and you'll end up with twice the width of what it looks like you have here because it is folded in half. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to roll this out on the ground to the length of where I'm going to be using it, and then I will make a cut, and then I'll show you what it looks like once you unfold it. So you can see I got it rolled out. I'm going to make a cut, and then I'll show you what it looks like unfolded. Okay, so I got it cut. So I'm going to show you how this works when you unfold it. You can see how it is now twice as wide and will cover twice the area. So typically what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to lay your fabric down after you smooth out the ground, got it nice and clean, stake it down, and then when you want to do plants, you just do a little X, cutting a little X, then you can fold the fabric and leave a little hole and place your plants. However, the other way you can do it is what I'm going to do, because we already have some plants in place. We're just putting down some new fabric. So I'm going to have to do the holes first and then place the fabric over the top and around the plants. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now and show you what it looks like after I'm done. So here you can see how the fabric is double woven, so it weaves on both directions, which is going to make sure it's nice and sturdy and strong. So when you're going to make a plant, put a plant in, you can just make a little cut. You can just do a little X, just like this. Then you can fold it over. And then right there, you can place your plant. Okay, so staking this in, just use some landscape stakes, and they just push through and push them down. So you can see I got the fabric all staked down, covering this whole area. Now I'm going to take some topping using some wood chips, and I'm going to spread some wood chips around and cover this up. So I dumped out a little bag of bark here, showing you that you can just take this and just spread it around, and it will cover it up really nice, and you'll have a nice finished area. So you can see I got some of the bark spread on it. You can still kind of see what it would look like without versus with. It looks really nice once you get something to cover it. You don't have to use bark. You can use some gravel or even some rocks for decorative, or sand, stuff like that. It just depends on what kind of look you want, on what you can put on top of this. And it's really easy to install and cut and make it fit where you need it to. So this weed barrier is super nice. You can see I covered this whole section, and I still have a whole bunch of this left. A little bit goes a long ways because it is folded in half. I'd recommend this to anybody that wants to put down some fabric to protect their garden or their yard or their flower bed, keep the weeds from growing, and make it have a really nice look.